Welcome everybody to Realistic Reviews. I just want to say right off the bat that it's very hot out here and the mosquitoes are really crazy, so I'm going to keep this one very short. But today we're going to be discussing the Schrade SC Mach 16 machete, and yeah, so let's get right into it. So this is a machete in the sheath, and this is only, I believe, the 16-inch one. It's not very long, but I chose this short one because where I use it the most, it's really dense, so I wanted something short to swing around. And I wanted something with a handle guard, so because there's a lot of thorn plants out there, and it just protects my hand a little better. First thing I want to discuss is a sheath. It's just a basic nylon sheath. I don't know if you could tell, but I actually cut through it already a little. I never even use this Velcro. I just slide it in and out. The machete itself, as you can see, is very well used. I use it a lot. I'm not sure what kind of steel it is. I'm sure it's just some kind of stainless steel. But it actually takes a really nice edge. It came very sharp. It stays very sharp. And it works really, really well for cutting through brush and stuff. And I've actually cut down a few small little trees with that, you know, mostly saplings, and it's going through most of them in just one swing. And the handle guard is really nice. It really protects your hand a lot. And the handle is nice and thick, good grip on it. And I really like this machete. And I have a review of another Schrade machete, and you could tell that I didn't care for that one that much, despite high hopes for it. But this one, I really, really like it. You can get these things for like $20 on eBay or Amazon. And yeah, they're very well worth the money, I'd say. They make longer versions, and like I said, I prefer the shorter version. And it does very well for anything I need it for. I rely on this machete a lot. And good job, Schrade. If there's anything else you guys want to add to this very quick realistic review, let me know in the comments down below.